A Duress code can be enabled on one of our sites with monitoring, and it allows a user of the alarm system to use a special code to disarm the alarm whilst sending a special under duress signal to the alarm receiving center at the same time. For example, if you are forced to enter your home and disarm your alarm by a third party. By using this special code, the third party will assume you have simply turned off your alarm. But discreetly, a message has been sent to your list of key holders, informing them that you have disabled the alarm under duress. Please note that duress codes cannot be used for obtaining police response unless your system is a specialist grade 4 version. In this example, we have used 8765 to disarm our alarm. But if we check the logs of the system, you will see that a duress status has been logged and subsequently sent to the alarm monitoring station.